Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to pair a Bluetooth device with Android phone. Okay, to pair our Bluetooth device, we can go to our settings to activate our Bluetooth. Just open the settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to tap on the connection setting. And here we can activate our Bluetooth. So you can tap on the circle button to activate your Bluetooth. And right after your Bluetooth activated, you can tap on the Bluetooth option. Then you're going to pair your device right here. So these are my paired devices, and I'm going to pair my device with the device. So we can go to the available devices right here, but just hold on because it's still scanning. Okay, and this is the available device, and I'm going to pair my Bluetooth to this device. So we can tap on the device like this and just wait for a moment. And on the device you want to connect to, make sure that you click on the pair, and you will get this question. Then you have to click on the pair, and you have to click on pair as well on the device you want to pair with. Okay, now as you can see that my device has been paired with this device. Alright guys, and that's how we can pair Bluetooth device with Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.